can do one thing as well. We can do a challenge के yes कहना है, like yes day नहीं होता.
Okay.
Like not day but yes 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours of yes to everything.
So what have you learned in your time vlogging so far?
I have learned that it's a full-time job basically.
Yes.
You know, it requires a lot of effort and willpower. ये मेरे पक्के जो है ना वो दोस्त जिगरी यार है मेरे. ये ना हो तो फिर मैं ज़रा उदास सा रहता हूँ, उदास पंछी की तरह. और दूसरा ये अगर ना हो तो मैं उजड़ा हुआ जो है ना वो इंसान बना रहता हूँ.
So what's your ideal first date?
Yes. What's your ideal date looks like, Mustafa?
Yeah, maybe date at KFC.
Wow. Like, are you going to date a 10 years old? What's your ideal date looks like, Mustafa?
I would say go like when the weather is really good first of all.
Okay.
So it has to be not too hot, not too cold.
Hello, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another episode of my vlog. मेरा नाम है हसान शेख. आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम अहमद शेख है.
अहमद शेख है.
I'm not his son. I'm his nephew.
He is my nephew. Yes. ये कौन? आप कौन है जी? कौन बैठे हैं? आप पैसेंजर इन ड्राइव पे?
Security guard or driver.
सिक्योरिटी गार्ड एंड ड्राइवर. ओह माय गॉड.
He's the king.
He's saying कि मैं सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हूँ, मैं ड्राइवर, आप सिक्योरिटी गार्ड हैं.
He always sits in the back.
He always sits in the back. ये मुस्तफ़ा है, मुस्तफ़ा शेख हैं. ये दोनों मेरे नेफ्यूज हैं, मेरे भतीजे हैं. एंड ये काफ़ी 1 साल के बाद आए हैं हमें मिलने के लिए. तो मैंने सोचा why not bring them along in this vlog as well. New edition, yes. पीछे वाले प्रिंस मुस्तफ़ा हैं, मैं उनका ड्राइवर हूँ, ये गार्ड है. तो we'll do whatever you want to do. Okay, we can do one thing as well. We can do a challenge के yes कहना है, like yes day नहीं होता.
Okay.
Like not day but yes 4 hours. Yes, 4 hours of yes to everything.
Okay.
So we can do that for like every day. You know, like 3 days के लिए.
Okay.
The first day is going to be Mustafa's, and then it's going to be yours, and then it's going to be mine.
Okay.
What do you say about that? We can try that challenge. Yeah.
Musa, what's your first challenge?
Yeah, Mustafa. When should we start doing it? Tomorrow?
No, from now.
From now? Okay, we can do that. After we give all these things at home, then we can do that. Chalo, let's go to bakery. Where are we? हम हैं Baker's Oven पे. With these two giants. And yeah, he's the real giant. अभी हम कुछ चीज़ें ले रहे हैं घर के लिए. I've got the list with me. And ये चीज़ें लेके तो then we'll go. फिर आपकी I think haircut करवाना है?
Yes.
Yeah.
I have a huge mess on my head.
Yeah. It's not huge but it's a little bit messy. मुस्तफा जी आपने भी करवाना है? No. आपका तो यूनिवर्सल हेयर कट है I think. Yeah.
He doesn't want it.
No.
Maybe he's gonna steal it.
अच्छा. That's good.
So what have you learned in your time vlogging so far?
I have learned that it's a full-time job basically.
Yes.
You know, it requires a lot of effort and willpower. Because once you start getting a little bit results, then there comes a time कि जब आपको results नहीं मिलते. So that is your real test. Then that is when you have to be consistent basically.
And people don't realize it's actually a lot of work.
It is actually a lot of work.
What you see in the final product
Exactly.
is very, very
It's
edited
very
and
trimmed down.
filtered. Yes.
It's the product that you see, it's extremely trimmed down.
Yes.
और उसके पीछे कितनी effort है, like mental effort कितनी है.
Yeah.
Like you have to pick up camera every single day, and then you have to shoot it, then you have to edit it, and then you have to do a lot of other stuff as well.
Yeah.
Especially like अब आप लोग आए हुए हैं तो
Yes.
I have to be with you guys as well. But at the same time I cannot miss or skip making vlogs.
So we're gonna combine it into one.
Exactly.
Vlogs on yourself.
मुस्तफ़ा आप how about you? अच्छा आप बताएं कि पहले आप पिज़्ज़ा खा लें अपना.
Yeah. Don't disturb the king.
Sorry Prince.
Say yes.
Sorry Prince. Yes Prince. I want to make it like turn it into an infotainment as well.
Okay.
Like
okay.
infotainment, like it has some information and entertainment.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Instead of just making it a daily vlog kind of thing, I want to turn it into an infotainment thing. So people are enjoying, they are getting information as well.
What kind of information?
That is what I'm exploring actually.
Yeah.
I'm trying to do different things so that कि आप किसी एक चीज़ पे ग्रिप आ जाए या किसी एक चीज़ के ऊपर आप देख सकें कि क्या हो रहा है. Mustafa, what suggestion would you give me?
No suggestion. I just want my pizza.
आप एक तो इतना आहिस्ता बोलते हैं, ऊपर से मैं माइक भी नहीं लाया, तो आपकी आवाज बड़ी कम आएगी प्रिंस.
Prince only wants pizza.
Prince
I
only
can talk
wants
with
it.
my actions.
Oh,
my hand
I can
just-
talk with my actions.
Oh, like indirectly आप कह रहे हैं talk to my hand.
Oh.
That is so rude of you, Prince. Please.
We'll demote you to a
That's so
knight.
rude. Please do it again.
What suggestions do you have for yourself?
For myself,
I want to
that
see that.
nobody's ever asked me that actually.
Yeah, what do you think you can improve on? Because there's always something you can improve on.
That is always a point. I want to improve on a daily basis. Like I want to do something different every single day. I really want के मैं इसमें और ज़्यादा consistent हूँ. I have made short like 1 minute reels as well. I really want to be consistent in that as well. कि मैं उसको continue करूँ और उसको मैं daily post करूँ.
Yeah.
Plus, I want to do so much more. Like, I want to capture cinematic, scenes and
Yeah.
videos, and I want to incorporate them in my vlogs. But मुझे अभी उसमें थोड़ा problem हो रहा है because I'm unable to go to such places and
Yeah.
make it cinematic.
You need a budget for that. Big budget.
Not exactly.
No?
You need time. No, मैंने इस फोन से इतनी शानदार cinematic pictures ली हुई हैं और videos ली हुई हैं.
Yeah.
Like इसी फोन से. So right now we are here at my barbers और इनसे आपकी हेयर कट करवाते हैं और फिर उसके बाद हम मिलते हैं. पहले आपको हेयर कट बिफोर एंड आफ्टर भी दिखा देंगे.
Yeah, this
ठीक
is
है?
before.
Alright, आज.
ठंडा होने यहाँ पे देके जाना ठंडा होने यहाँ पे देके जाना
I think I don't remember the last time you had a haircut from Pakistan, है ना?
No, Pakistan से बोलना.
कभी भी नहीं.
शायद पिछले साल गए.
ये मिस्टर जेडी हैं. हेलो मिस्टर जेडी. कैसे हैं आप?
ठीक ठाक चला है
बेहतरीन. ये मेरे पक्के जो है ना वो दोस्त जिगरी यार है मेरे. ये ना हो तो फिर मैं जरा उदास सा रहता हूँ, उदास पंछी की तरह. और दूसरा ये अगर ना हो तो मैं उजड़ा हुआ जो है ना वो इंसान बना रहता हूँ. तो ये मेरी जिंदगी के लिए जरूरी है. जेडी he'll do a good job inshallah Amaji.
Trusting you a lot. Big time.
Big time, yeah. This is after the haircut, I think. Amaji, आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
I think it's great. I really like it.
You like it? How about the services of this shop? Now what डालिए?
Free marketing. It's very
What's the place called?
The place is called Tail Wale. The name is Tail Wale. Yeah, and they're very famous on TikTok. But I'm really satisfied by their work, है ना? You are also, I think. The haircut looks great. Even though ये कि आपने बहुत ज़्यादा छोटे नहीं कराया, but इतने ही कराने चाहिए.
Yeah.
I like it really much.
I think it's great.
It's good. चलो let's go. The women pay thousands and thousands of rupees to look
It's all
good.
a scam.
It's all a scam, yeah. All you have to do, women, ladies, all you have to do is trim your beard and, and get a haircut.
Yes.
And get a haircut from a male barber, basically.
Yes.
And you would look absolutely good. You look absolutely brilliant. तो ये हमारा काम होगा, main.
Task 2 done.
Task 2. Now the task 3 is to buy candles and for happy birthday.
Let's see about that.
We'll see about that, yes.
What type of candles? Scented candles? Yeah.
Not scented candles, but we have to buy
Date night candles.
date night candles, exactly. Mustafa की date है candlelight dinner, so for that we have to buy stuff. We have to buy roses as well, Mustafa ji.
Yes. Red rose.
Red roses.
So, what's your ideal first date?
Yes. What's your ideal date looks like, Mustafa?
Yeah.
Maybe date at KFC.
Wow. Like, are you going to date a 10 years old? जो KFC पे आपके साथ
Yeah.
आएंगे, seriously?
Maybe they can pay as well.
Oh my god.
The ideal date would be that the girl
Wow.
would be paying.
Wow.
Yeah? I think that would be a very good date.
Also, sorry,
man.
pizza. Pizza thing.
Pizza date.
Yes.
Your ideal date looks like, Mustafa ji?
I would say go like when the weather is really good first of all.
Okay.
So it has to be not too hot, not too cold.
Okay. So your ideal dates would be only in few months.
Yes, yeah.
Like only in certain months.
That's not my problem.
That's not.
Yeah.
In summers you cannot have one ideal
Yeah,
day.
or winters.
Or winter.
It'll be
No,
spring.
winters are good. I love.
Yeah, but actually, yeah, winter is
Winters are
like
good.
not at night. Spooky,
Yeah.
like in the
Winters में आप you can have a very nice day.
yeah, exactly.
And that is because weather is good and
Yeah.
usually उसमें sunlight आपको अच्छी लग रही होती है.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, what else?
And we have like a really nice dinner, like somewhere very fancy.
Then what's the
Alright.
point of the weather?
We sit outside.
Very good
Wow,
point.
so smart.
If
So you know you can eat outside also, Mustafa?
Yeah.
So there's option eating inside and
inside
outside.
and outside, yeah.
Yes.
So
Picnic.
the weather thing you should consider it. It's
Yes.
a significant factor.
Yes. And then you the cuisine. Actually, I don't know. It depends on the day if I'm feeling, but cuisine doesn't matter.
All right.
And then we go like to the beach or like somewhere really really nice, and then you just enjoy food.
That's nice. That is a
like
very good
five-star
date.
restaurant.
Even I want to go on a date with you.
Exactly.
It is that good. I want to go.
Or like on top of a mountain. That'll be really
On
nice.
top of a mountain would be good, but then you have to hike with that
I'm
person
lazy.
for like 3-4 hours, 2-3
No,
hours.
it can be us.
Then you would be extremely tired.
And
that would not
sweaty
be an ideal
and
day.
stinky.
And stinky.
Why bother? What about you? What's your now? It's gonna be. By the way, Sayyid was asking all of us, but the reality of it is that his dates are gonna be coming
Very
before
soon.
ours and Mustafa. So we
Yes.
should ask him what his ideal
He
date is.
wants
But
ideas.
no, but you never know. You might find someone in the next few days,
Oh.
and then your date starts as well. Mustafa's date starts as well.
Yeah.
That can
Not
happen. The more you say no, the more universe would say, okay, I'll teach you a lesson.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, that's true. Good
That's
point,
true.
Good point.
Then
So my ideal date looks like we in a very fancy restaurant,
Yes.
to be honest, and in a very dim lit ambience,
Yeah. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
and with
French
very
restaurant.
soothing music, very nice
Jazz
music
music.
being played, jazz music.
Yeah.
Preferably if the jazz music is being played live.
Ooh. Yeah.
I would love that. Or blues music, sir.
Oh,
I would
yeah.
prefer blues music
Yes.
on a date. That is something very good.
Wow.
उसके अलावा the person should be a very good company.
Yeah.
Like-
Well, that's not an issue.
That
That's
not-
already ticked.
That's already ticked. Yeah,
Good.
that's already ticked. Yeah.
Yeah.
उसके अलावा food choices, I would like to try a few new things actually.
Okay.
Things that I've not tried before. My ideal date would be like I'm trying few new good things that taste good, जिनको मैंने पहले ना खाया हो, और मुझे पता हो कि यार okay, these are something very exotic or really good. That tastes good.
Like what, sushi?
Like sushi. I've never tried that.
I hate sushi.
You had sushi?
Never tried it. But I
Oh
hate
my god, you've never tried it, but you hate it.
Yes.
You should try it. There's
I
a place.
should.
There's a place here
Yeah,
called
yeah.
Chop Chop Walk. Yeah,
Oh, Morning
yeah,
Sun.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah, and they serve real good sushi.
Okay, next vlog.
I think next vlog maybe we three should go and try sushi.
Yes.
What do you think?
Done.
Yeah, done. All right, Mustafa ji, let's shake hand on this. Okay, this I think we should conclude this. Mustafa ji, why don't you conclude this? Since you don't talk much, so you have to, but you have to like say talk for at least 1 minute. आपने conclude करते करते भी 1 minute ले लेना, okay? This
Timer,
is
let's
your
start the
time.
timer.
Yeah, please do it.
thank you everyone for watching
Yeah.
Hassan Sheikh Vlogs.
Yeah,
Make sure to subscribe,
yeah,
hit the bell, notifications on,
yeah.
like the video,
Yeah.
comment, check Sain Chacha's Instagram,
Yes.
Hassan Sheikh Vlogs.
Yes, that's 15 seconds.
Check his TikToks and his Twitter and anything you can think of.
Yeah, I don't have
He's-
Twitter.
Yeah.
Alright, and
And stay tuned for next vlog. We will be at Sushi Parlor
yes,
and enjoy everyone. And make sure you
that's 35 seconds.
We still have 30 seconds.
Yes.
make sure you see latest vlogs, and the next vlog make sure you eat sushi with us, so
Yes.
you can
And we'll
immerse-
give you a detailed review as well. Since we three would be trying it for the very first time.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
yeah, so make sure you watch that.
Nothing. You have to talk. आपने 10 seconds और waste कर दिए. Timer पीछे करें
yeah.
आप. You have to talk for 20 seconds more.
And we're about to buy candles, and
Yeah.
we will show you the candles as
No,
we
the
conclude
vlog is
video.
ending. We're not going to show them. Yeah.
And we will show the candles.
Yeah,
And
okay.
yeah, enjoy. enjoy
that
the-
was such a sweet conclusion of a vlog. But yeah, we'll see you guys soon in the next vlog, and that must have, you know, feel हुई होगी आपको, yeah.
I'm all the way here.
This is how you're going to end, like after with fighting. I
Thank
don't
you,
mind that.
guys.
This is content for me. I don't mind that. You can fight. How
No, it's fine.
जितना भी आप
Okay,
लड़ना
UFC
चाहें.
I'll just
fight
enjoy
also.
some sushi next
Yes.
time.
I'm challenging him to UFC.
हम अपना रिव्यू भी देंगे.
Oh yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Honest review, क्योंकि हम पहली दफा ट्राई करेंगे तो it would be, you know, something that would मेरे लिए तो बहुत important होगा because I've never tried sushi.
Yes.
So yeah.
Let's go there.
See, we'll एक दो दिनों में वो vlog आ जाएगा उसका भी. So yeah, आज का vlog इतना ही था. Thank you so much for watching. As Mustafa said, hit the bell icon, yeah, and do subscribe, like, comment, and share. We'll see you soon. Allah Hafiz.